Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. Today I'm going to share with you the best deals going on over at Walgreens for the week. I'll walk you through each of these deals individually. I'll tell you which ones you can do in-store, which ones you can do curbside. I also used my digital booster for spend 20, get $5 in Walgreens cash, and a paper booster for spend 40, get $9 in Walgreens cash. So I'll tell you how I used both of those as well. At the end of the video, I'll show you pictures of items that I found on clearance while I was in the store. If you're new to my channel, welcome. So glad you're here. I try to break things down as simple as possible so that you can shop stress-free over at Walgreens. Now, this video is getting out a day later than normal. I woke up and just was not inspired at all yesterday with Walgreens. I was also shopping 90% off at CVS, so I'll be doing a CVS video today as well. But I finally rallied at the end of the day. My son and I went to the store and got all of these items for free. There's a couple of things here that I got last week that I want to tell you about because those deals may still be there or coming back. So I want to speak to those as well. But let's start out with simple, easy deals anyone can do over at Walgreens this week. So what do I want to start with? This one's pretty easy, the Trident gum. So my girlfriend actually showed me this deal, and she's not like a couponer or like YouTube person. She's just my girlfriend, and she found this, and so proud of her because I hadn't found it, and I think that made her excited. So the Trident Megas are 3 for $3, but there's an Ibotta offer for $1.99 back when you purchase 2 of them. So that makes it $1 and a penny for all 3, or just about 33 cents per pack of gum. So a great job finding that deal for me. The Colgate. Okay, so this one you would want to do in-store only because it is a register reward deal. Now, the Colgates are $3.99 each. When you purchase 2 of them, you're going to get $4 in register rewards back, but there is a $4 digital coupon that you can clip. So in the store, I picked up 2 of these. I paid $3.98 at the register, and I got back a $4 register reward. Could you use Walgreens cash? Yes. Could you use register rewards to pay? Yes. You're still going to get that register reward back as long as you don't take the register reward you earned from doing this deal to try to do it again. You're going to be just fine. Now, the Arm & Hammer Complete, these are $2.99. There is a $1.50 digital coupon. You'll pay $1.49 and then submit your receipt to the Ibotta app where you'll get $2 back, making your final cost completely free and a 51-cent moneymaker. Now, a couple of things. When I say digital coupons, I'm talking about the coupons within the Walgreens app that you can find under the Savings tab. When I'm talking about Ibotta, it is a cashback app, super great app. I have a full tutorial on it if you want to check it out on how to use it. But if you don't have it yet, grab it using my referral code because you'll score an additional $10 when you scan that first receipt. Okay, another easy deal are on these Olay soaps. And I got the soap versus the body wash. These are $7 per pack, which I know is expensive, but I used my boosters in this scenario, and I'll tell you about that here in a minute. But let's say you didn't have any boosters. This is how the deal would work. You buy 3 of them at $7. That's $21. There is a $5 digital coupon. That leaves you to pay $16, but because you bought 3, you're going to get $5 in Walgreens cash back, making your final cost $11 or $3.66 per pack of soap. Now, that is not a price that I would pay if I didn't have a spend booster that I was also using. Can you use Walgreens cash to pay? Yes. Could you use register rewards to pay? Yes. If you're just doing that deal by itself. Now, the Crest. Okay, so these were on promotion for buy 3, get $5 in Walgreens cash. They are $4 each. I bought 3 of them. That's $12. I had a $5 coupon that I clipped yesterday, but apparently I had a $6 digital coupon that I had previously clipped because that's what came off at the register. So I paid $6, but I got back $5 in Walgreens cash for buying 3 of them, making my final cost $1 for all 3. Hopefully I didn't say register reward because this was Walgreens cash for buying 3 of them. Can you use Walgreens cash to pay? Yes. Could you use register rewards to pay? Yes. The Burt's Bees. So normally I don't do paper coupons all that much, especially at Walgreens, but I wanted to share this deal with you guys in case you like using paper coupons. If you purchase 2 of the Burt's Bees priced at $3.49, there was a $5 coupon in the recent Procter & Gamble insert, so that leaves you to pay $1.98, but then there is a $1 rebate on Ibotta. You would get $1 back on each of these, so that's $2 back, making your final cost completely free for both of these toothpastes. Now, before I show you how I put this together to use my boosters, let me just show you a couple other deals to keep an eye out for. You'll see these little face masks here. Tons of stuff in the beauty section on clearance. These were just 50 cents each. Again, I'll include pictures of all the clearance stuff I found at the end of the video. This is another one to keep an eye out for. The spin brush. These were on clearance, $2.29 for the brushes and for the refills, but there was a $2 rebate on Ibotta, which made them just 29 cents each. Now, as I'm saying this, I forgot to double check my Ibotta to make sure that offer was still there. So if this is something you find on clearance, I definitely check Ibotta before you buy it. As with any of the deals, check before you buy it because you want to know if you're going to be getting that money back before you make that purchase. Another clearance find, these Dots pretzels, originally $7.99. They were marked just 79 cents at my store, so something to keep an eye out for. And then the Werthers. Okay, so listen up because I did this deal last week when I posted it over on my Instagram. It was like end of the week. I can't remember what day. But these were 2 for $6 last week. They're 2 for $5 this week. There was a Swagbucks offer for $6 back when you buy 2 of them, which made them completely free. Now, that Swagbucks offer is not there right now. But what I've found with Swagbucks is a lot of times the offers will go away and then come back. So I wanted to make you aware of it. That way you can check your Swagbucks app and see if this one comes back because it could be completely free or a moneymaker this week. Of course, the Baby Ruth deal keeps coming back and then going away and then coming back. So keep an eye out for that deal as well because that's how I've been able to score all of the Halloween candy I'm going to need for this year completely free is with that Swagbucks Baby Ruth offer. Typically, it's $3 back when you purchase 2, and they're priced at less than $1.50 each, so it makes them free and a little bit of a moneymaker each time. So keep an eye out on Swagbucks for both of those deals, but like I said, as of right before I started this video, neither of those deals were there this morning. Okay. That was everything. Let's talk about how I put this together. I had the spend 20, get $5 in Walgreens cash digital booster clipped, and then I had the paper booster of spend 40, get $9 in Walgreens cash. If I spend $40, I will get the 9 from the paper and the 5 from the digital. They will stack together, just hitting that higher dollar amount. So I purchased in store, you have to be in store to use a paper booster, the Arm & Hammer Complete, the 2 Colgates, the 3 Crest, and then the 3 Olay. Before my manufacturer coupons, I was at $43.97, so I hit the $40 threshold that I needed to hit. After my coupons came off, I was at $27.47. Now, I did not use Walgreens cash to pay. That is what I paid at the register. if you have manufacturer register rewards, you could use those to pay. I paid with cash. I got back $9 for spending $40, $5 for spending $20, the $4 register reward for the Colgate, the $5 in Walgreens cash for the Crest, the $5 in Walgreens cash for the Olay, the $2 for the Arm & Hammer on Ibotta, making all of those items completely free and a $2.53 moneymaker. Great deal for all those products. So that's how I stack it all together to make sure I'm not paying more than I want to for any of these items. Now, a few other suggestions. I always submit my receipt to the Fetch Rewards app because a few of these qualified for some points back on Fetch Rewards. I also will submit my receipt to pggoodeveryday.com where I will get points back for the Procter & Gamble products that I buy. And then I can cash those points out to gift cards like Starbucks and Dunkin' Donuts. Grocery deals. A few grocery deals that you don't see here because we didn't need them. Cans of tuna were 99 cents. Lunchables were 2 for $3, which seems like a decent price, especially at Walgreens. And then they had their brand, the Nice brand potato chips for $1.99 per bag, which seemed like a decent deal. Also, I saw the smaller packs of Cheez-Its, and per ounce, the smaller pack was actually a better value. They were priced at 5 for $5, so a decent price if you want to use your Walgreens cash to pay and you have Cheez-Its on your grocery list. Not a bad deal over at Walgreens this week. Now, I think that was everything. If y'all have questions, let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to check out my CVS video that I'm hoping will come out a little bit later today. Today is Monday. I got a ton of stuff for free over there as well. So hope y'all have an amazing Labor Day weekend, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks.